This is Chris Kelly with just a simple explanation of your strength training workout routine. Now, the way our strength training workout routines are laid out are in circuits, all right? So the way this works is you're going to perform your mobility warm-up first, and then we're going to go straight into this workout on your strength training days, all right? With each exercise, for this particular circuit, we have an inverted row, a single leg deadlift, and a plank hold. Okay, and the way this is going to work is that we will link a video to each of these movements. So, for example, you'll be able to click on inverted row and it will take you to a video demonstrating that exercise, followed by there will be also a link to the single leg deadlift and a link to the plank for each demonstrating proper form. What we ask you to do is perform this circuit for 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. So each exercise is going to be back to back. So we have the upper body exercise, followed by the lower body exercise, followed by the plank hold. Now, each of our videos contains ways to make each exercise harder and easier, and if you can do more than 8 reps for any of these, you move up. Okay, if you can do less than 6 reps, you move down and you make it easier somehow. And in subsequent, circuits or subsequent workouts, we might specify different rep ranges or different, the number of times that you do the exercise with the same idea in mind. So once we perform this circuit back to back 3 times, we're going to move to exercise circuit 2 and do the same thing. Once again, you'll be able to click on each exercise to access a video of how to of proper form. All right, again, just perform that 3 times. Now, for our conditioning routine, we'll always give you just detailed instructions of what to do. For this particular one, you're going to perform a 5-minute warm-up followed by 30 seconds of intense work, and then 30 seconds for recovery. All right, the implements that we want you to use this month, okay, would be either a fan bike, medicine ball slams, or a stair climber. All right, the idea is, we just want to get the heart rate up. Really, you can use anything, and we encourage you to change modes. But if we're dealing with an issue where running's hurting your hip, or we're trying to cut back on a certain thing, then try to stay away from that. We're always going to give you guidelines in your conditioning routines of what not to do as well. But essentially, anything that gets your heart rate up, it would fit the bill. Okay, and in this particular scheme, we're repeating 30 seconds on and off for 12 minutes, and then we add 2 minutes a week. But if you have any questions, feel free to email me, and that's how we put our workout together.